Hello! We're coming to you from beautiful Kitigay here in Baconia Beach, in between the Saugeen First Nation and the Broken Head First Nations. We're here on our proposed permaculture site. We have a plan, a 15-year plan to restore the land that has been fallow. It was a dairy farm before now. It's been fallow for the last 20 years. And now we have a problem with the thistles and some other invasive species that have just, nothing grows here. So our plan is to permaculture. So we started this year with some native or indigenous fruit-bearing trees. We got some apples, we got some Saskatoon berries, and then we also did a test project in the marshes with the wild rice as well. Our community here will benefit from our farm. It's a food forest. It's open to all the community around Saugeen and Broken Head.